What if I told you most of your exhaustion isn't physical, it's neurological?
Your brain decides when you feel tired, not your muscles.
Your body still has energy, but your brain pulls the emergency brake. This system evolved to keep you alive, not to make you fit. Low dopamine makes effort feel heavier than it really is. Mental fatigue shuts down motivation before muscles fail. Too many decisions drain energy faster than movement. Stress tells your brain to conserve energy, even when you don't need to. Slow movement sends a safe signal to your nervous system. That's why walking restores focus better than intense workouts. Calm brains unlock energy access. Pushing harder often creates burnout, not progress.
Fitness is nervous system management.
Consistency beats intensity when the brain is calm. Energy comes from rhythm, not punishment. Modern fatigue is mental, not physical. The fix isn't harder, it's smarter. A daily walk resets your brain's energy system. More clarity, more energy, less burnout. Train your brain first, your body will follow.